It's Tuesday, November 26, 2024. It's 8:35 a.m. Eastern. This is a screen recording of a live trading session with my small account. I'll pause the video and I'll return when the market opens and I see a possible trade. I'm watching IMG very closely here. Second highest gainer up 103%. Been moving up here lately. It does have some news. Some sort of expansion into new markets with new agreements. High of day is on this very candle we're looking at, $1.30. I'll keep a close eye on it and return. I'm in on IMG. 100 shares at $1.45. Profit and loss is down here. See if this wants to come up just a little bit more and I can snag just a little piece. It's been bouncing back and forth quite a bit on its way up. Was hoping to see this break $1.50. It did hit $1.47 2 minutes ago. Again, I'm in at $1.45 with just 100 shares. There we go, trying to break that $1.50 mark. A lot of sellers back and forth with the buyers. It's been wanting to move up, but a lot of sellers are pulling it back. Continue letting this work, see what it's going to do here. Like I said, I took a small position on this. The top five's been really flaky all day today, so I don't have a lot of faith in much of anything. But this was worth a little scalp if it'll work out. There we go. Coming up a little bit. And I got out. Let's see how we did here. All right, got a little bit, $6.13, 2.5% gain on that trade. I was in this thing just a little over 2 minutes. I was in with 100 shares at $1.45, out at $1.51. And looking back here, it's a good thing I got out when I did, which was right in here, because the very next candle, it is halted. And I certainly don't want to be stuck in one of those. It's just no fun. It's nerve-wracking. Once they come out of this and they free up, it can go straight up, straight down. You just don't know. So I get out at a pretty good time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.